We're going to do the 310 on the left, the 110 on the right. Both of these are in the Bass Boost 1 mode. Both are plugged in, so they're at their peak performance, if you will, since they play a little lower on battery. So we'll start with the 310. We're going to start all the way down to 20% and work our way up. So this is 20%. Here we go. Mr. Hand has a day off, and you'll be able to tell which speaker's going by the lights playing. 20%. 110. 310. So kind of at a low volume, the 110 hangs really well. The bass could be even considered better maybe. Let's go up to 40%. 110, 40%. You start to hear the 310 start to pull away. 110. Louder with definitely harder hitting bass. Change tracks. Let's go up to 60%. About 6 dB approximately louder, so that's about 60% louder from the 310. Yeah, you get a lot more impact from the bass out of the bigger speaker. Tracks. Let's go up to 80%. $310. 110's maxing out of just under 100 dB.
So take me as I am, fill me in and love me, love me. So take me as I am.
So there's a general comparison of the two in EQ 1 mode or bass boost 1 mode. The bass definitely hits harder and has more substance to it than in the 310 than the 110. 310, depending on your volume, when you get 60% and higher, it's about anywhere from like 3.4 to 6 dBs more. So that translates to, you know, at most frequencies, about 10 dB is twice as loud to your ears. So it's definitely louder, has more bass, but it's bigger. So that's to be expected. The 110 is definitely a good speaker, but yeah, it doesn't compete fairly with the bigger speaker. But it holds its own. I mean, if you just listen to 110 by itself, it sounds darn good. But the 310 definitely has the advantage, as to be expected. I don't think that surprised anybody. Anyway, that's a comparison of the two. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Everybody stay safe. And as usual, you know what that means. That's a wrap. Mr. Hand had to get in one time.